Hey guys, welcome back. And we accidentally just landed a new project. Take a look at this. Hey, sorry for the mess, guys, but here it is. I believe we say that Duetz, Allis Vanguard. It's basically the same thing as a Simplicity Sunrunner, I believe is what it is. It has rear steering, so the back wheels will turn by a cabling system. It is currently not running. It needs a battery, which will be easy, and it needs a drive belt. Those are the two things that we know for sure it needs. We're going to dig into this. This is just kind of the preview, the walk around of this lawnmower. The story behind this is it was about just outside of my neighborhood, about a half mile away. Well, it was this young man that was trying, he had a sign on it, make offer. And my son's been begging me to get a riding mower. So we went down, we looked at it, and we said, well, what are you wanting to get for your mower? We're interested in a rider. We're not, we're just looking around. He said, well, this was my grandfather's machine, and you can see it says Jean's Green Machine, and it has a Cadillac emblem right here on the steering wheel. So, it's an interesting story behind it. It was his grandfather's. He inherited it, and he's moving, and he doesn't need, his yard's really small, and he doesn't need a mower that big. So basically he said, if you guys will work on it, I'll just give it to you. And here we are pushing it home. We decided, hey, we're gonna take this home, do a little work to it, see how it goes. So we went ahead and we slapped a battery in it. So we went ahead and got a battery at Tractor Supply, put the battery in it, and we're gonna crank it over for a while, see if it works. So it has been sitting for a while, so I don't imagine it's gonna start easy. But that's usually pretty basic stuff, and I don't really want to make a video about getting it to run. He did tell me it ran fine when he put it away last. So, that's probably going to need a carb clean, the basic things that, a mower or small engine is going to need. But, you can look at other videos if you want to see how that's done. There's a million of them out on YouTube. But one thing I will say is this thing was made around 1988 and 1989. And it is in fantastic shape. I just can't believe how good a shape it's in. It's been very well cared for, right down to the chrome hubcaps. Aren't those freaking awesome? So yeah, we're gonna actually make a brief video probably on doing the drive belt. Here is what it looks like now. There's nothing left of the drive belt. It's been completely eaten away. So I don't have a part number or anything to go off of, so I'm going to go ahead and call a mower dealer because I found the manual online and it doesn't list that as a part. So I'm going to call the mower dealer and see if they have any luck at this. Okay, guys, talk to the mower dealer. Yes, they definitely can order it. It's about a $25 part. So we'll do that in another video down the road, but I'm going to work on it a little bit, get it running, and then we'll do a few more videos on this as we go. Okay guys, you can see we got it running. It's pretty easy, just had to put some carb cleaner in it, crank it over a bunch. So it really, no big deal to get it running. So he was right, it ran pretty good. We got a few more adjustments to do as far as the carburetor and such, but easy stuff, right? No big deal. So next is video, we're gonna get that drive belt on. We're gonna see if it works, moves back and forth, and go from there. Look forward to part 2. We will see you next time.